I've been thinking recently about all those words in Welsh where G's and F's often get mixed up. There's loads of examples. Some of the ones that come to my head right now include guddw, where you'll see guddw or guddug, and some people say guddwf as well, meaning your neck or your throat. We've also got gorwedd, which means to lie or to lie down, where a lot of people say gorfedd or gorfadd, depending on where you are in Wales. So yeah, you can hear that v interchange. Another word that came to my mind was ysgyfarnog, which means a hare. And a lot of people actually just refer to them as sgwarnog, and the plural being ysgyfarnogod or sgwarnogod in this case. You can hear again the v being replaced by the w. And I just thought that was really cool, to be honest. One thing that's even cooler, that's a word. One thing that's even cooler is that in one tiny place, one tiny village in mid Wales, they don't refer to them as ysgyfarnogod, these hares, nor do they even refer to them as sgwarnogod. The story goes that in a little place called Melangell, there was, she's now a saint, one of only a few female saints in Wales actually, and she was out one day and she saw some sgwarnogod in the field, and she heard the sound of hunters coming with their dogs, and they were chasing this particular sgwarnog. And not keen to see the sgwarnog lose its life, she ran towards it and covered it with her body, protected it, and after some time the dogs got bored and left. And ever since then, in that tiny little place in mid Wales, they don't refer to them as ysgyfarnogod or sgwarnogod. They refer to them as BACH Melangell, which translates as Melangell's little lambs. And I think that's gorgeous.